welcome back guys! So today, I will teach you how to activate your video recording. So, now, you don't have any application for video recording, I want you to watch this. Okay? See ya! Okay, so welcome back again to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Del Mundo. And today, I will teach you how to activate your video recording in your computer. No application needed. So you're not going to download anything or any apps in the internet or in the Google for you to be able to use your video recording, but only in your laptop it's available and it's already installed in it. We're going to activate it. Okay, so this kind of video recording is very basic and it's very simple. So you can do whatever you want to record in this type of video recording, but it is only available for Windows 10 and also in MacBook. So if you have Windows 10 and MacBook, so most likely you will be able to activate the video recording. So with no further ado, I will give you the 6 steps for you to activate your video recording. Okay, so to start with, step 1, go to start button or the window icon and then click it. Then you will see a lot of applications over there. So in my case, my start button is located on my upper right, but most likely the normal one is the start button or the window icon located at your lower left. Then step 2, when you click it, try to look for the settings icon. So the settings icon is the gear icon or the gear picture, something like that. This one, like this one. Okay, then click it. When you click it, look for the gaming icon, and this is what it looks like. Okay, with an X in the middle. So when you find the gaming icon, click it. Okay, then step 4, turn on the record gaming. It will bring you to the game bar, and I want you to turn on the record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using game bar. Please double check it. That is very important. And then when you turn it on, step 5, click Win plus G. Win means window plus G. When you click it, there's a widget that will pop out your computer. So whether you have your game opened, whether your PowerPoint is opened, whether your another window is opened, automatically the widget will pop out, and there's a lot of different icons there where you can get the record button. It has the audio, the video, and the screenshots also. And then right after that, last but definitely not the least, step 6, start recording. So when you start recording, be sure that you already set up the audio and even the video so that everything will be just fine. So that's it. Those are the 6 steps for you to be able to have your available and installed video recording in your own laptop with no applications needed. And enjoy. Thank you very much for your listening. Thank you for lending me your ears, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Kudos. God bless you all. Hope you like it.